and today we are going to build our Numberblocks MathLink Cubes activity set Numberblocks 21 to 30, which includes 327 pieces, and it's by Learning Resources. It includes 3 fun character accessories. This is what it includes: 235 MathLink Cubes, 20 dual connector MathLink Cubes, 38 first plates, 10 numberlings, 3 accessories, 1 sticker sheet, 10 double-sided activity cards, 10 double-sided character cards with build guides, and 1 activity guide. Let's open the box. Look, these are the character cards. Let's put them on the side over here. The activity guide and the activity cards. So I've put them all so I can see them all. We have this box for the first plates, accessories, and the numberlings. This empty box and 255 MathLink Cubes. Let's start building. Let's take all of the number blocks out, which we need to build Numberblock 21. We need 2 dual connector MathLink Cubes, 18 normal MathLink Cubes, 1 red MathLink Cube, the hat, the numberling, the eyes, and the mouse. Let's build. First we put 3 blocks here. Then we keep on putting blocks up, then turn, then red down, then keep on going up and down, up, and you turn and down. You should make it when there's no space for a numbering, because we need to put a hat, and inside the hat we put in the numbering. Then you put on the eyes. Oh no. This is Numberblock 21. 21. An explorer Numberblock 21. Now let's build Numberblock 22. 2 dual connector blocks. Then again 18 of these. I mostly just grab 50 so I don't have to keep getting them out. And I grab the 10. Let me take all of them out. Now we're gonna put on 3, and then again 3. I just don't know why they do not give an extra dual connector block for here. Attach the 2 and we made the shape. So now let's put on the face. Now let me find the mouse. Which one is it? Which one is the smaller one? Smaller one's for Numberblock 22. I don't know why Numberblocks 20, 22, and 26 look like the same mouse, but in different sizes. So let's put on the numbering. And here's Numberblock 22. Let's build Numberblock 23. The dual connector blocks. We put on the 3. Then up. Down. Then up. Back down. Turn. Down. Then back. Let's put on the face. here and the number. And here's number block 23. Let's build number block 24. I'll get 50 because I need them a lot. The 10s. And I made a 3x8 rectangle for number block 24. I've put on the eyes and the mouse. Now let's find the number line. Here it is. And here's number block 24. Now let's build number block 25. We need 5 blue blocks for number 5. And we need to turn them here. The next step is to do this. You can go down again, then curl. Then go here. Then do this. And this. Here's the shape. I put on the number link. Here are the eyes. Now let me find the mouse. It's here. Let me push this in. And here's number block 25. Let's build number block 26. We're going to take 6 purple blocks, 2 dual connector blocks, and 18 normal peach MathLink cubes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how many we need. We put 3 down. Oh no. Turn the 4th one. And 2 down. And then down. Take 1 dual connector block. I'm going to keep this stable. So I'm just going to put on the hat and numbering first because it's unstable without them. Then we turn, and again take another dual connector. Now let's find the face, the eyes, the tie, the plain piece. I broke. Let's fix it. Yeah, like this. Here's a mouse. It's doing this. Okay, very good. Found that eye piece. Here's number block 26. 26. Let's build number block 27. the numbering, and the face. Here's number block 27 in the 3x9 rectangle shape. Let's build number block 28. Number block 28 just has a shape which goes like this: round, round, back, 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 back. Round like a circle. How many should there be? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need 8. We put 3. Then over here there's a special block to be used. We're going to put on these blocks here. I'm going to take one magenta block and go and make it face this way. Then we're going to take a peach block, make it face the same way like we did. We're going to take another block, and now in the middle of these we're going to put this in. Here's the mouse and the numbering. This is number block 28. Let's build number block 29. This one is easy like number block 23. We go up, down, up, turn, click, flip, down, click. Here's the shape, the numbering to keep it more stable. Let's put on the faceplates. The Made of Ones Club, the 9 Enders Club, the Odd Blocks Club, the Prime Numbers Club. There's another club, the Roaring Twenties Club, and the face. Here's number block 29. The last number block we're building today is number block 30. Number block 30 is 30 light yellow blocks. We need 10. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We made the shape. Let's put on the hat, the numbering, the eyes, and the mouth. And here's number block 30. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye!